First, activate the red button located on the right side of the controller. Then, press the black button to initiate the crane remote control. Finally, long press the first black button on the right side for 3 to 5 seconds to enable Bluetooth connectivity, thus allowing successful utilization of the remote control. At the bottom of the main screen, 3 controls are present for unloading: variable frequency power and speed. As depicted in the illustration provided, pressing the first button elevates or lowers the hook accordingly. The second button facilitates leftward rotation of the crane when pushed up and rightward rotation when pushed down. Similarly, pushing up or down on third button raises or folds down the crane arm respectively. By activating the last button on the crane's interface, the forearm extends outward. Conversely, it contracts inwardly. In addition, it is noteworthy that this remote control supports linkage operations, such as video display and simultaneous activation of 2 buttons will be acknowledged by the controller for further instructions execution.